Stays on the ground. Nobody has to be.
Shot. Get it?
Aftershock losing power. Let's see what's happening now, man. Looks like the crew's going to have to run out there. Get a word over the headset and see what's going on. He can fire it back up. Here they come, man. The crew running back to the trailer. Not sure what's going on here.
There's something to do out there.
Here they come. They'll come. His crew will come. These are his people. There goes Kevin.